Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. Our Ultimate Trader Transformation 3-day workshop is just around the corner, so if you're not signed up already, make sure you reserve your seat by checking the link underneath this video if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on Instagram, just check the link in my bio. But we're going to make today's trading blog short. I am running a little bit late, and I do want to get this out to you before the evening. But we had a very interesting discussion today in the live room about managing expectations. It was another good day of trading. I did take a loss on the pound dollar trade I told you about yesterday. That was a pretty big hit. But I did get winners on dollar Canada today, and euro dollar has been floating about one tick away from a profit target. So see if we can get two winners today. If not, that'll probably be a scratch trade. But we had a trade today. We had a trader today in the live room that wanted to discuss a trading opportunity on the Aussie yen. It was a pretty decent opportunity. This trader trades supply and demand. So we ended up having a very good conversation about smart money, institutional money, and how they try to trick the regular trader, how they try to probe certain areas because they know certain orders are resting there, and that's why you see breakouts. And then while the rookie traders try to get revenge on the market, they use our orders that we're trying to catch the breakout with to take their profits, and the market bounces back and forth. It was pretty cool stuff. Nothing that you need to know, but pretty cool to be aware of once you're at that point in your trading. But the trader was taking an opportunity, anticipating a breakout because of what I just talked about. And as the market came to that level of previous structure resistance, as you can see on the chart, it just started going side by side by side, sideways movement consolidation, which is what you would expect before a breakout. Now, we don't know if that's going to be a accumulation area or a distribution area, so we don't know if it's going to break up or down, but we know that consolidation does lead to expansion. And after discussing this, I think it was the beginning of the second segment of our live trading room, we came back in the final portions, and this trader was freaking out. He's like, Akil, I'm scared. It hasn't done what I expected it to do so far. It hasn't broken out, blah, blah, blah. So we went back to relook at the trade, and really price action it hasn't given us any warning signs. And we had a good conversation about when you're in a trade, all of these emotions can take place. And that's what this trader was doing. He was getting emotional. You don't want to make any assumptions about your trade unless the chart tells you otherwise. So I told this trader, look, until we get a lower low, lower close, or until we get a bearish breakout out of this area of consolidation, there's no way to think that you were wrong. There's no way to start having these negative thoughts. But he's like, Akil, we've been in it for 15 minutes and it hasn't broken out yet. Well, is there a time limit? The last I checked, the market does what it wants whenever it wants. Just because we want something to happen doesn't mean it's going to happen right away. Sometimes we have to wait. In fact, the market will test that discipline and make us wait it out before eventually rewarding us. So, relax until the chart says something that goes against, on the technical side of things, that goes against, why you took the trade. There's no way to freak out. There's no reason to freak out, I should say, because all you're going to do is end up making a psychological mistake. And if you're anything like me, I have been in plenty of trades, right? Not recently, but in the way back in an older trading stage, plenty of trades where I talk myself out of the trade, I exit, and then come back just to see that the trade did exactly what I thought I would. And unfortunately, I wasn't there to take the profits. So that was a pretty good conversation today, just about emotions and how to become, I guess, mechanical, robotic in your trading, and let the charts tell you the story. Don't create a story in your head, because that's what the market wants you to do. So good stuff. I'm going to get this out to you guys. Again, make sure you sign up for that Ultimate Trader Transformation Workshop. It's going to be awesome. We just had a team meeting today laying out what we're going to discuss between Jason Stapleton, myself, Jason Greystone, Charles Miles, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be the greatest thing you've ever seen. It's going to be amazing. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe I'm doing a podcast interview with the Two Blokes Trading tomorrow, so maybe I won't see you. We'll see how long that takes. If not, there are plenty of episodes you can go back and watch. Make sure you do it over and over again. And as always, I appreciate every time you guys hit that like button, and please share this on social media. All right, take care. And as always, plan your trade, trade your plan.